I work in IT.
Okay. And you may.
I practice law.
All right. You are practicing law. Also, that's a beautiful and great thing that you both are doing right now. Okay, that's a great idea. And are you going to do anything for financial management?
I think we did a lot of shopping already for the wedding, so I plan not to buy anything at least for next year. We already have enough of clothing and all the other materials.
All right. So for the viewers,
Yeah.
don't buy too much wedding products. Okay, keep it in limit, and it will be
Yeah.
great for it. You can save money and spend it in other things. All right. So, what would you like to advise to the other people that how should manage their money? It is a problem of young generation.
I don't think I'm the right person to answer this question.
Okay. No?
Yeah, he loves to eat, so he never
I'll probably
leave.
try to save at least 20 to 25% of the salary.
Alright.
Do it over a long period so that they can accumulate and plan the future better.
Okay.
I I think maybe one of the options is always to assess before buying anything whether you really need it or you just want it. If you really need it, then only you should buy it. Actually,
So that's a great idea that everyone first see that where they if they need it really or not, right? And then go to buy it. That's how they can manage their money and finance. Okay. So another question is regarding that traveling. Many people like to travel, right? Many different places because they enjoy the journey of it. So are you also trying to travel new places?
We have traveled
Next
a lot
year?
this month actually.
You have already traveled.
We have traveled a lot this year also. We have traveled to at least I think 4-5 different places.
Okay.
So I belong to Hazaribagh, but she's from a different place. So this is a new place to her also.
yes.
So, okay.
I-
It is a first time?
Yeah, it's my first time to Jharkhand, and we are from Uttarakhand. So we had the wedding in Uttarakhand and engagement in
Delhi.
Delhi and the reception in Jharkhand. So we have traveled enough. So maybe one of our resolution is going to be just maybe travel once or maybe twice next year, and not really more than that.
What kind of places you would like to travel if you want next year?
So I think it would be some. We have traveled most of places in North India. So we'll try to travel down somewhere in the south or probably northeast. These are some. We are looking at some of the places where we can travel to in these locations.
All right. These are beautiful places like northeast side. I think that I also must travel these places because
Yes,
these are
yes.
beautiful. And I have questions that you are from IT sectors, right? And it is very important for a student that who are preparing for it because studying they are studying and preparing for it all the time, but only some of them succeed on it. What would you like to advise those students? How should they prepare for it?
Preparation can be means they can do it parallelly if they are able to do it. Not take stress about it. Means even if they are not able to do it, there will always be time to means once they get into a career, there will always be time to succeed in it. Means try to get into a career, start somewhere, and then the growth will always be there. That's what I mean.
Okay, okay, that's a fantastic perspective of how a student should prepare for it. Okay, and ma'am, as you're preparing for a law, practicing law, right?
Yes, yes.
So, what is the? I would like to know more about it, little bit.
So practice law, you essentially need a LLB degree, and that's a 3-year course. You can also pursue law right after your 12th. That's a dual integrated degree. That's BLLB. It can also be BCom LLB, BSc LLB. And so all you need to do is to prepare for an entrance. And in Jharkhand itself, in Ranchi, we have NLU Ranchi, and it is one of the best law college in India. So one can prepare for it. The entrance is called CLAT, that's Common Law Admission Test, and then you can start practicing law. And law is emerging, so there are so many options after you complete your graduation. Not just being an advocate, but you can pursue a government job, private job, and banks. Every company needs a lawyer nowadays. So it's a upcoming sector, similar to engineering.
All right.
Yes.
So it is also important because we see that in our country, law somewhere seems to be lacking. Okay,
Yes.
what are you going to do from next year that you can make it more better in law?
I think it depends from, I think, so in law, yeah, there is an issue of delayed justice. Yeah, maybe a common person thinks that all that law is about is that getting the next date in court. You know, you see that in Bollywood movies,
Yes.
that Tariq pe Tariq. But I think what I can do in my personal capacity is that I provide genuine legal services to my clients rather than probably adopting ways to extort money.
But
Yes.
many people are afraid to go in this. They
Yes.
don't want to face it, these
Yes.
problems. What would
Yeah.
you like to advise those people that what should they do?
Yeah, I think they should definitely start with reading about law. That's the first step to overcome your fear about anything in life. You read about it and then you get less intimidated by it. The less knowledge you have, the more you fear something. If you read about law, you will get to know that in every code there are legal services authorities through which you can get a free government lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So you don't need to pay for a lawyer always. You just need to go to that office in every district court and you will get a government lawyer without any cost.